The ACDelco 15-22310 AC Compressor is a top-of-the-line product recommended by General Motors as a replacement for your vehicle's original factory component. With its 100% visual and leak test, you are assured of the quality and durability of this air conditioning compressor and clutch assembly. Designed to meet General Motors' original equipment specifications, this product guarantees an exact fit, form, and function for your vehicle. This compressor, priced at $243.78, has garnered a high review score of 4.7 from 156 reviews, attesting to its reliability. Weighing in at 5,983 grams, and with dimensions of 241 by 279 by 203 millimeters, this AC compressor is robust, yet compact. With an average monthly sale of 50 units, the ACDelco 15-2230 AC compressor is a popular choice among automotive replacement parts.